Hey guys, today we are going to finish plants. I decided I'm not going to give you a test on plants because our quiz was just the other day. So I might do like a little wrap up worksheet instead and call it a quiz on Monday. Okay, so we'll just do a quick set of notes and then you won't have any homework till Monday. All right, so we're going to talk about angiosperm pollination and fertilization. So angiosperm, remember, is a flowering plant. Lady. I'm trying to pause this video. All right.
Oh my god.
Okay, sorry about that. I was trying to get my dog to stop barking. Okay, so the pollen is transferred by the wind for animals, and it's transferred from the anther to the stigma. So remember, the anther is the male part and the female part is the stigma. Insect pollination is very much more effective than wind. That's why bees or other pollinators are really important. So I'll attach this little video you can watch. Okay, angiosperm fertilization occurs when the pollen grain lands on the stigma. So the pollen grain lands on the stigma, that's like the sticky part at the top of the center. The pollen tube grows into the style, and the two sperm travel down the pollen tube to the ovary. Right here. Okay, so the sperm is traveling into the ovary. Double fertilization occurs. So one sperm fuses with the egg, and one sperm fuses with two polar nuclei in the embryo sac to form the endosperm. The endosperm is the part that will provide nourishment to the seedling. I'll post this too, you should watch that. This is just a recap. So like the anther releases pollen, it lands on the sticky center, the stigma, two sperm travel down, one fuses with the egg and one fuses with the polar bodies to make the endosperm. And then you get a fertilized embryo, fertilized zygote, and then it makes an embryo, turns to a seed, and then the seed germinates, and then the cycle continues. This is the seed structure. So you have the embryo, so that's where the plant's going to grow. Testa is the outer covering, the seed coat, and then the endosperm, remember, is the part that's providing the nutrients. Monocot and dicot seeds are different. So monocot seeds have the single seed over here, and then the dicot is your bean, which has two, di standing for two. Okay, seed and fruit development. As the seed matures, ovary walls thicken to form a fruit. The fruit does not provide the nourishment to the seed, even though you might think it does. And then fruit aids in the seed dispersal. So you could maybe imagine an animal eating the fruit and then passing the seed through its species somewhere along the way. So methods of seed dispersal occur by animals, wind, and water. Seed development, there's a period of dormancy where the embryo is alive but not growing. And then germination is the early stage of the embryo. The roots emerge first, and then the shoot emerges next, forming stems and leaves. And that's it. So look for something on Monday. Oh yeah, that's so cool.
Will we draw something?
I can help you draw something.